wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me.
Yes, hello guys, welcome to Gari Tech Interior Design. So here we have this project na tumemaliza. So electrical work interior design already tushamaliza. It's a 3-bedroom house. So tuseme it's like 2-bedroom with a servant quarter outside, and then a bedroom, one sitting room, and a toilet in outside. And then that toilet, let's say it's like a public toilet, be it master bedroom and other bedroom, it shares together. So let me take you to in. So as you can see on my left hand, this is the servant quarter. The servant quarter. So this is our first servant quarter. So as you can see, we have done electrical. We have installed this light, and then the fan. Here we have installed the fan, and this bulb is a 3-in-1. It's a white, green and white. So it's a 3-in-1 bulb, and then we have put a strapper. As you come from the main entrance, and when you come to sleep, you can switch it off here, and then even you can put it off there. We have provided 2 sockets. The other one is here, and the other one is here. The other one is here. They are double socket each. So let me take you to the main house. As you can see, this is a security light. The security light that front door from the gate, and then this is our light. And then as always, we always put a socket outside the veranda. So this is our double socket. And then let me welcome you to the main house. So as you can see, the interior work we have done. So we have put this hanging roof. It's called a pendant, and we have provided a warm white light. It's forward, and then we have provided these other downlights. There are 8 in number, and then these downlights, there are also 3-in-1. So as you can see, that is white. and then you can change it, and then the color even changes. So as you can see, it's changed, and then let's go to the another one. Then that is white, combined with white and the other colored. So we have provided a wall brackets. So as you can see, there are two wall brackets. Even them, they are 3 in 1. So this is warm, as you can see, this is warm, and then the other one even is warm, and then that is blue, and this one is green, and then so this is green and warm, and then that is blue and warm. They blend each other. So this is a snake light. As you can see, the snake light is there. So this snake light, it has some features, even though I don't have that a remote, but it's a remote. It's controlled using a remote. So it has those colors: red, blue, green, all of those colors. It has stroke, fade, smooth, as whichever favorite is you want. And then I think that is all about this. Let me take you to the sitting room. So here in sitting room, as you can see here, the players here are 5 gun, 3 gun, and 2 gun. So this is our, what do we call it? This is our regulator, fan regulator. It's a 5. It control up to 5 speed. And then let me show you. So this is for chandelier. As you can see. Yeah, have you seen? You have that is a Bluetooth. You can connect Bluetooth, and if you have a USB, you can also use it. You can just load your songs and then you put there. So it has some color combination. And then the next one is the snake light. So the snake light, as you can see, it's fed smoothly. And then this one is for downlights. So this for downlights, as you can see, it also have color combinations. And then the other one is for wall brackets. There are two wall brackets. As you can see, that is white, and then the other one is warm. So and then that is red, blue, and then coordinated, and then so we have provided here sockets, 3 sockets inside here. So here they have done some mistake. I think a little bit after finishing, soon they will come and then finish clearly. And then this is a provision for AC, air condition. This for sockets, double sockets. As you whichever seat you will put, you have a provision for charging system. So here is for sorry for distraction. This is for a double socket for TV, and then either Go TV or DSTV. This is a socket outlet antenna for antenna, and then you have provided also another double socket down there. So let me take you to the other bedroom, and then so here this is the bedroom. It has some this insect. So it has a light there. As you can see, it's blue, white and blue, and then white. And then you have placed there a fan, and then a double socket there, and the other one is here. The other double socket is here, and this is the strapping. When you come to sleep, you can switch it off or put it on. So let me take you to the master bedroom. Before you enter in this master bedroom, there is a small corridor, so that separates the other rooms. So this is a corridor, and then as you can see, the light, the light is green, white and green, and then white. So show them the toilet. We have put there a ball fitting, Yeah, these are ball fitting, and so it doesn't change colors. So let me take you to the master bedroom. Master bedroom, we did do decoration of gypsum. The owner of the house tell us that to decorate only sitting room and the corridor. So we provided here a full moon. It has also a color combination of 3-in-1. That is warm, and then that's warm white. As you can see, that is so much brighter. And then we placed here a 2-wall bracket. So those are two. Those are one that is warm, and then the other one is white. So that is red. They are both red, and then they are red and white, red and white. As always, 2 sockets. The first socket is here, and the other one is here, and the other socket is here. As always, we always provide provision for strapping. So hello guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly subscribe, share, comment any idea you have. As in you have seen, maybe you like, you can share it there, and then it can be helpful so that the next video or the next house we will build, it may be much, it may look as the way you see you want to be perfect. So let's meet on the next video. Goodbye.